Hi friends, in this video we are solving JEE Advanced 2022 problem. Given problem is let Z be a complex number with a non-zero imaginary part. If 2 plus 3z plus 4z square by 2 minus 3z plus 4z square is a real number, then the value of mod z square. Friends, in the first case what they are given, z is a complex number. Complex number we can denote with x plus iy, of course a plus ib. Here which is a non-zero imaginary part. Imaginary part is what here? Y, which is not is equal to 0. That is the first condition. Second condition, they are given a function is a, this function is a real. When you can say the function is real, when f of z is equal to f of z whole bar. Suppose if z they are given, z is said to be real if z is equal to z bar. So that it is equal to the conjugate number, then only you can say the number is real number. Yes or no? So in this case we can solve this problem, and based on this we can do mod z square value. Mod z square value we need to find. What is mod z square? Actually x square plus y square. This value we need to find out. Of course friends, instead of doing this problem by using this method, we can use another method, that is method 2. I am saying it is very easy. You see, given function is 2 plus 3z plus 4z square upon 2 minus 3z plus 4z square is saying which is a real. So friends, you see here numerator is containing z terms, denominator is containing z term. Now I am simplifying. How I am simplifying? You see, denominator, numerator, I am taking the same terms. How can I do? Here the numerator you subtract with 3z. Okay, if I subtracted, later what I have to do? Add 3z, subtract 3z. 3z plus 3z is 6z here. So numerator term and denominator term in this case both will be same. Therefore it will be 1 plus 6z by 2 minus 3z plus 4z square. Okay, which is real. Here you observe, one is real or not? Yes. Numerator is containing z term, denominator is also containing z term. So in this case what I am doing? Divide with z. Then 1 by 6 plus 2 by z minus 3z by z is minus 3 plus 4z square by z is 4z. So this is real. When it is real, here 6 is real? Yes. Is 1 is real? Yes. Minus 3 real. So when it is real, you can say 2 by z plus 4z is real. In this case 2 by z plus 4z is a real. Friends, from this what you can take common? 2 is common. So what I am doing, you see, I am saying 1 by z plus 2z is a real. When it is real, imaginary part should be 0. Okay, so first I am writing z is equal to x plus iy. Then 1 by x plus iy plus 2 times of x plus iy should be real. When it is possible, imaginary part is 0. Here it is containing, in the first term containing denominator, denominator is containing the imaginary part. It should not contain imaginary part. Yes or no? So rationalize with x minus iy. Then you will have x square plus y square plus 2 times of x plus iy. When you can say this is real, only imaginary part is 0. What is the imaginary part here you have? Imaginary part is minus y by x square plus y square plus 2y, which is equal to what? 0. Then only you can say the function is real. Okay, so from this function what you can take common? Tell me. Y you can take common. If I taken y common, then minus 1 by x square plus y square plus 2 is equal to 0. Friends, product of two terms is 0. So both are 0 or at least one of them is 0. In this case y is 0 is possible? No. They are given a condition z is a non-zero imaginary part. So y is not equal to 0. Then obviously this bracket is equal to 0 or not? If this bracket is 0, you can write 2 is equal to 1 by x square plus y square. Now you cross multiply. Then x square plus y square is equal to what? 1 by 2. What is x square plus y square? Mod z whole square. So what is 1.2 here? 0.5. 1 by 2 is here 0.5. So you can say mod z square value is how much? 0.5. That's it. Is it easy or not? Once I will revise what we have done here. Given hint, first z is a complex number with non-zero imaginary part. So y is not equal to 0 in this case. Next, the function is, they are given real. This is second condition. Then we need to find mod z square value. This one we need to find. In that case what I have done, first I have taken the function. Function I have done factorization type. Okay, in that case numerator and denominator taken as the same by subtracting, adding and subtracting minus 3z. then numerator denominator same, then it will be 1 plus 6z by denominator is as it is. Okay, so when it is, you can say real, both the numerator z should not contain in the numerator and denominator. So in that case, what I have done, divide with z, then I got 2z by 2 by z minus 3 plus 4z I have. So in this case, this 6 is real, 1 is real, minus 3 is real. When you can say the function is real, here only the case is 2 by z plus 4z should be what? Real. In this case also 2 is common. 2 is a real. So it should be real. When it is real, z not containing imaginary part. So first I am splitting the z. How can I write z is equal to x plus iy? So 2z is also x plus iy. Denominator does not contain imaginary part. So rationalize with x minus iy. X minus iy by x square plus y square plus 2 times of x plus iy. So here what is imaginary part? Minus y by x square plus y square plus 2y. So this imaginary part is 0. Then only you can say the function is real. Otherwise it is a complex only. Yes or no? So in this case, real part is, when you can say real part is x by x square plus y square plus 2x. Imaginary part is minus y by x square plus y square plus 2y. So this is 0. If it is 0, you can take y common. Product of two terms is 0. But here y is not equal 0. Because you see in the first condition what they are given. Y not equal 0. So obviously this bracket is 0. If I simplify, then x square plus y square is equal to, I got here 0.5. X square plus y square is nothing but mod z whole square. Am I correct or not? Mod z whole square, here what happened? 0.5. That's it. So is it clear for everyone? In the next video we will discuss another problem.